Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have my quarterly FabFitFun add-ons video where I'm going to take you through all of my add-on selections and my tips and tricks and recommendations for the sale. As you can probably tell, I'm coming at you for my summer vacation, so I didn't want to pass up the opportunity to share with you my FabFitFun wish list and what's in my cart just because they happened to open up today and hey, I was on vacation, so I decided to film this video anyway. So if you want to check out what's in my cart for the fall 2023 FabFitFun add-ons, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. Alright, so as you guys know, I love FabFitFun. This is the only subscription service I'm currently part of. And if you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box where you receive full-size products that get you excited for the season ahead. If you are new to FabFitFun and want to check it out for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box below. It will save you a little bit of money if you do so. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm currently coming at you while I'm on my summer vacation. It's winding down, so unfortunately by the time you're watching this video, I am currently back at home most likely. But the day that the add-ons open, which is today, I am still here. So I figured why not go ahead and film this video anyway on location, because I know this is a little time sensitive. We need to get our add-on picks in. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. This video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I purchased all these items by myself. So hopefully in that way I can give you a pretty unbiased view of these items. So again, if you're new to FabFitFun, this is a seasonal subscription box, but you are able to add on some extra items every season that ship to you along with your box at no extra charge, at least in the continental US. So I love kind of going through and seeing some of the products they have. They tend to repeat a lot of their products, either past favorites from other seasonal boxes or previous add-ons as well. So by now I kind of have a good sense of what types of items are offered. So I want to share with you guys what I currently have in my cart for this season because I'm really excited about it. And I love getting feedback from you guys. That's really why I like putting these videos together as well, because selfishly I really value your opinion and want to hear your thoughts about some of these items before I have to make my own choices. Alright, so I'm just going to jump into it. I'll put up the pictures here as usual and share with you the items that I have my eye on. So the first are a bunch of Invisibobbles and scrunchies. I talk about this probably every season because I do like the Invisibobbles. I have two daughters, both with pretty long hair now, so we love sharing these. And as I mentioned earlier, you can probably tell by the picture in the background, I'm currently on a Disney 10-day cruise to the Caribbean. And, you know, Disney is just on my mind. So go figure, there are a couple of Disney choices from the scrunchies, which we're going to pick up. So first is Ariel, as you can see here. So this has the Invisibobble ring in the middle, but it has a scrunchie on top. So these are so adorable. Look at the packaging. I purchased the same set except in Cinderella previously, and those were super adorable. So now they're offering Ariel and Belle. So here's the Ariel. My youngest daughter went to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique this trip and dressed up as Ariel, so it's perfect for her. And the values are pretty good. It's 54% off, which I think is pretty good for Invisibobbles. The next one here is the Belle version, and my oldest daughter dressed up as Belle, go figure, from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique this trip. So we're going to get both of these for them. And there are a couple other different versions without the scrunchie, which I'm probably also going to add because it's just adorable packaging. So one is the Cinderella version, and I just love the color scheme here. And then the other one is the Frozen one, which is kind of vibrant blue. So I think these would make amazing little present toppers if you have a lot of kids' birthdays to go to, as we do, or even thinking ahead to the holidays. Obviously, stocking stuffers, these are amazing for. So definitely consider trying these out if you haven't, especially if you have little ones like I do. Alright, another hair product or set here is this hair scarf bundle. This I know was in a previous seasonal box, and I didn't select it, I believe. Actually, did I? I might have selected it, in which case I probably shouldn't pick this up. But if I didn't select it, I think this is a good one to think about because the value is amazing. It's $3.99 for 2 of the scarves. And these are pretty versatile. You can tie them in your hair, wear them as a hair wrap, you know, different things like that. So I think this is a really good value. I need to go back and see if I actually did already purchase these because I might have. But I think this is a great value. The next one has some hair items, but also some more summery items. And it's this bundle. It's called the Mix and Match Accessories Bundle. And it comes with several things. So really what got me were the sunglasses. So this is from Key Australia. You guys know I love Key Australia. This is the high key lens. And I have probably 6 pairs of these in different colorways. This is my favorite aviator from Key. So I am probably going to pick these up. I don't think I have this particular lens. And then it comes with some basic hair clips. I mean, you can always use these. The one thing I don't really need probably is that little stretch bracelet, but I figure essentially that's probably just being thrown in for free in this bundle. So I probably will just pick it up and, you know, maybe give it to my daughter. I mean, I may wear it on occasion as well. I do like stretch bracelets. So I probably will pick up this bundle. I think it's a pretty good value, but mostly because I just love those sunglasses. The next item here was really fun. It's from Alice and Olivia. It's a pencil pouch. They offer this stripe colorway and also more kind of Moroccan type of colorway. I'm going for the stripe one here, and it matches the Alice and Olivia mirror that I picked up in a previous add-on selection. I don't really need another pencil pouch, but I do write a lot. I love jotting things down. So I have a lot of fun pens and pencils that I like to use. So I think I'm probably going to add this as a fun way to kind of store everything. Alright, so the next item is something also we don't need, but it's a water bottle. And my daughter, as we're having lunch here on vacation today, I was scrolling through these options. She saw this and said she really, really wanted this kind of pink, marbly type of a color. And she claims she's going to use this for school. So that's all she has to say. She knows, and then I'm probably going to pick it up. So I'm probably going to add this. I don't think this is a screaming value. You can probably get similar deals elsewhere. But I mean, FabFitFun is just so convenient to just put in your cart and pick it up this way that I probably will give this a try. I like Swell. I think it's a great line of water bottles. My only issue with this for my own personal water bottle usage is I don't like the thin neck or the narrow diameter of the neck because it's hard to put in ice and things like that. For my daughter, where we don't put ice in it anyway, it's pretty easy and very user friendly. But for my water bottles, I like a little bit of a wider mouth, but she loved it, so I'm going to consider picking it up for her. And the next item here I have my eye on is this beautiful candle. So I love stocking up on candles every season, especially the fall. I mean, obviously that's a big choice, and I'm hoping there'll be candles in the customization choices. We'll see tomorrow. But I love stocking up on candles. So my favorite candles come from Nest, the holiday scent. I have a ton of those. That's probably my most favorite scent. And then from the Winter Company, the winter fragrance candle is also one of my favorites for this time of year in the fall and winter. So I just love those fragrances. This one looked very interesting. I will be honest, I picked this up probably because of the vessel. I love this beautiful ceramic vessel with the kind of yellow colorway and tone there. I think it's just really pretty. So that's really what caught my eye. But the fragrances here are really woodsy, cedarwood type of fragrances as described. And I think for 10 bucks, this is a pretty good deal, and I'm really excited to try it out, even just for the decor alone. And then I think I just have one final item left in my add-ons choices here, and this is this lightning cable. It's an Apple lightning cable. So obviously we have a ton of Apple products. I've talked about this in our last FabFitFun video. And we're always fighting for these charging cables. Last season I did pick up in the add-ons, maybe even the same one. I think it might be. It's the same company, a brand I think. But one of more pastel rainbow charging cable, and everyone went crazy for it in my house. I mean, everyone meaning my daughters only, but they just loved it. So we kind of fought over it. So when I saw this pop up, I said, well, we'll probably add another one of these. I didn't really love the rainbow version here. This version was more of a brighter rainbow, which I just didn't like as much. So I'm probably just going to add this beautiful rose gold tone. You just can't have enough charging cables, I think. So I'm probably going to add this just for a fun little pretty pop of color to our cable situation. But I think that's a good one if you haven't checked it out already. Alright, so this is probably one of the shortest add-on videos I've ever made, but those are the items I have my eye on. I didn't see any major, huge blockbuster products that I had to have because, again, I think I have a lot of these products already. I will say I do like that it seems like they're collaborating with Ana Luisa, the jewelry line. I may consider adding an item from that collection. I just haven't picked one out yet at the time of this video. But I think that was a really nice collab, and I've always wanted to try Ana Luisa jewelry, so I may give that a try. Other than that, I really didn't see anything else that I had to have my hands on, including skincare this season. I think I just am pretty well stocked up, and nothing really drew me into it, at least for now. As you all know, things definitely change over the next few days as we have time to kind of weed through our choices and look at some new choices. And I always recommend to keep refreshing the site and keep checking if some of the items you have your eye on that are sold out now come back into stock, because they always do. People always release things from their cart as the days proceed ahead. So definitely keep your eye out for items that you think you might have missed, because you probably are not going to miss them. So I hope you had a fun time kind of seeing the items that I currently have my cart and have my eye on. If you have any amazing items in your cart that you think are a must-have for me to try out, please let me know in the comments down below. I really value all of your advice and really often listen to most of what you guys tell me in terms of the products that I should check out. And be sure to stay tuned for my upcoming Customize With Me video, as I always do every season, where I will take you through the items that I customize for my box. And I also will tell you a little bit more about my thoughts on some of the other items that I decide not to select as well. As usual, I'll put all of the information regarding the sale dates down below for your reference. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and hopefully planning some fun summer travel like I am as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.